One of the websites that I normally use is called Rakuten. It gives you cashback on every purchase that you make through other websites. So let's say you want to buy something in Walmart or Target, Amazon, you name it, they have it. You just go through Rakuten, and once you're on the website, I'll show you a print screen afterwards. You'll see that you can go from there to another website. So on the search bar, you type in the website that you're looking for. Either Target, Walmart, Gap, whichever you want. Once you make the purchase, this Rakuten website records the purchase and gives you cash back. Besides that, you get $10 just for signing in with my code. I'll give it to you right here, somewhere on the screen and down there in the description. Okay, so the next one, Top Cashback, another cashback website and app that you can use also to get cashback on whichever purchase you're gonna already make. So you also do the same thing. I'll put a print screen. You go through the website, on the search bar, you type in the website that you wanna go to, and whichever purchase you make is gonna get recorded, and then they're gonna give you a cashback on whichever money you spent. I'll give you my code also so that you can also get some $10, I believe they give you for signing up also. And every time that you refer people, this website also gives you some credits, Rakuten also. So you can get money, both ways, just for making your purchases and also for referring people. Another website that many people use to make purchases, to buy something whenever you're at the house and you don't want to cook, or you're at work and you don't want to, you didn't bring anything for lunch, you use Uber Eats. And with the code that I'm gonna provide here on the screen, you get $7 off your first purchase. So if you think of buying something and you don't want to spend the full amount of money, just get $7 off on your first purchase. Then there's another website that I normally use for surveys, and they give you cash back for just responding to questions. So they do a kind of a qualification at the beginning, so they're gonna ask you where you work, what you do, this and that. Once you fill all that in, they're gonna match you with surveys that they have on their website, and those surveys pay from like $5, anywhere from $5 to $1,000. Some of them require you to do an interview over the phone for like 60 minutes, but they're like really good, surveys to do, because you can get up to $200. Mind you, there's like a qualification process. So after you do all your profile with them, they're gonna send you to a different screen. Let's say you wanna do a survey for moms who feed their babies, and they have this survey out there. They're gonna ask you like 15 to 20 questions to see if you are the target they are looking for, because they have a criteria for, like, they're looking for moms from like 18 through 23 years old or 30. They have their own criteria. So once they match you with that criteria, you'll get a phone call. I've seen people getting $200, $300, $400, and $500 as a payment for a 1-hour interview over the phone. They ask you questions like a normal, regular survey that you could do out there, but it's really well paid. So I'll give you my code over here. So this other cashback is a really good one. I think out of all of them is the best one, because it gives an incentive to people to be better. Why am I saying this? It's called futureboundmiami.org, and it's for parents who have kids in kindergarten within Miami-Dade County. 30 schools are selected, so if your kids are within those schools, you can get a free savings account through this program. I'll put the website down on the description. But you can get a free savings account for your kid, and this program is gonna deposit an initial $25 one-time deposit for your kid. So you get $25 for them for free, just because they're a kindergarten student. And then on top of that, if they're part of the reduced fee lunch program within the public school system, they also get $25 extra. Okay, that's $50 for your kid just for signing up and registering them for a savings account, which is really good for them in the future. And then after on the following 13 years of your kid growing up and going through school, they give incentives just for attendance, good grades. They're gonna get monetary incentives just for being a good student in school. So I think out of all the promos that I've been mentioning throughout this video, this is the best one, because it really gives an incentive to people to go to school and have good attendance, good grades, and they get $50 just for for starting. And if you don't have them on the reduced lunch fee program, you can still get the $25 just for opening a savings account, which is free of charge, so you don't pay anything. So I really recommend this for all the parents out there. Then the other one is the group book. I had already mentioned this in another separate video. I'll give you the link down below so you can look at that video if you haven't seen it yet. That basically is a subscription of a little book. You get pictures to your house, 100 pictures per month. You gotta make sure that you upload all of them, otherwise you're gonna get charged if you don't upload them, and you'll get charged regardless. It's like close to $4, $3.90 something. With my code, you get your first book free. And then when you refer people, you also get, a free book here and there. Oh my God, I'm outside today and the airplanes are going crazy. Okay, and another one really good for everyone that drives a car, it's to get money back on all the gas purchases that you make. It's called Get Upside. They have a website and they also have an app. I think I make close to like $15 already on that app that I've been using. I'll give you print screens of everything here. I'll put everything on the description below. If you have any questions, just feel free to write me a little comment or send me an email to the email that I'm gonna put below. Okay, thank you.